Kudus are a group of large antelope species found in eastern and southern Africa. They belong to the genus Trigelaphus and are known for their impressive spiral-horned males and striking coat patterns. Kudus have a beautiful coat with a characteristic color pattern. The predominant color is reddish-brown, which helps them blend into their natural habitats, such as savannas and woodlands. Both male and female kudus have vertical white stripes along their sides, running from the shoulders to the hindquarters. These stripes are more prominent in females and younger individuals. In addition to the white stripes, kudus often have a white chevron pattern between their eyes, and a white patch on their throat and neck area. These markings vary in size and intensity among the different kudu species. Kudus are relatively large antelope, with males being larger than females. Adult males can stand about 140 to 160 centimeters tall at the shoulder and weigh between 200 to 350 kilograms. Females are slightly smaller, standing about 120 to 140 centimeters tall and weighing around 150 to 250 kilograms. One of the most distinctive features of male kudus is their impressive spiral horns. These horns can grow to remarkable lengths, with some reaching up to 1.8 meters long in the case of greater kudus. The horns have 2 to 3 twists and are used for display during mating rituals and to establish dominance within their social groups. Kudus have a robust and muscular build, with long legs that make them agile and excellent jumpers. This adaptation allows them to navigate through dense vegetation and escape from predators more easily. Kudus are generally social animals, and they are often found in small groups called herds. Herd sizes can vary, and they may consist of females and their offspring. Adult males are more solitary and tend to be more territorial. Kudus use a combination of body language, vocalizations, and scents to communicate with each other. For example, when alarmed or threatened, they may raise their tails and expose their white rump patches as a signal to others. They also use vocalizations, including barks, grunts, and clicking sounds, to convey different messages. Kudus are prey animals and are constantly vigilant to avoid predators. When sensing danger, they rely on their agility and jumping ability to escape. Their excellent camouflage, provided by their coat pattern, also helps them hide from potential threats. Predators of kudus are a variety of animals, like lions, leopards, cheetahs, hyenas, and wild dogs. In areas where kudus must cross rivers or water bodies, they may be at risk of predation by crocodiles lying in wait for an opportunity to strike. In some cases, large African pythons have been known to prey on kudus, particularly the young or smaller individuals. Kudus are generally more active during the early morning and late afternoon, making them crepuscular animals. They are known to rest in shaded areas during the hottest parts of the day. Kudus are classified as browsers, which means they primarily feed on leaves, shoots, and twigs of bushes and trees. They have a long and flexible snout that allows them to reach higher foliage that other herbivores might not be able to access. The leaves and tender shoots of a variety of plants make up a significant portion of the kudus' diet. They are equipped with specialized teeth and digestive systems that are well suited for processing fibrous plant material. Kudus also consume fruits when they are available. They can be opportunistic feeders and take advantage of seasonal fruiting trees to supplement their diet. Although kudus are mainly browsers, they may occasionally consume grass, especially during times when other food sources are scarce. While kudus can survive in areas with limited water sources, they do require regular access to water. They will drink from rivers, streams, and waterholes when available. Kudus are crepuscular animals, meaning they are more active during the early morning and late afternoon. During these times, they venture out to feed. They are also known to rest in shaded areas during the hottest parts of the day. Kudus are often found in small herds, and they may engage in social feeding. In some cases, group members can benefit from increased vigilance and protection against predators while feeding together. Kudus are well adapted to their natural habitats, which can include savannas, woodlands, and scrublands. They use their keen senses, particularly their sense of smell, to locate the best food sources available. During the mating season, adult male kudus become territorial. They establish and defend territories in which they will try to attract and mate with receptive females. These territories typically include areas with abundant food and water resources. To establish their territories, male kudus use various scent marking behaviors. They rub their preorbital glands on branches and vegetation, leaving behind a strong-smelling scent. They also mark the boundaries of their territory using secretions from glands located on their forehead and near the base of their horns. Male kudus also engage in visual displays to establish dominance and deter potential rivals. They may walk or stand tall, displaying their large size and impressive spiral horns to intimidate other males. The breeding season, or rutting season, for kudus typically occurs during the rainy season when food is more abundant. The timing of the rut can vary based on geographical location, but it often takes place in the months of December to April in East and Southern Africa. During the rutting season, dominant males actively seek out receptive females within their territories. They court females through various displays and vocalizations. If accepted by a female, mating occurs. Female kudus have a degree of choice in mating partners, and they may be selective in their preferences. Dominant males with well-established territories and impressive horns are more likely to attract females. Male kudus are polygamous, meaning they mate with multiple females if given the opportunity. Once a dominant male has successfully attracted a female, he may mate with her repeatedly throughout the breeding season. Female kudus and their offspring often form small herds, while adult males are more solitary and territorial. The females and their young may move through different territories, interacting with multiple males. Rival males may engage in sparring matches to establish dominance and access to females. These interactions involve locking horns and pushing against each other to determine which male is stronger. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.